This is a very short video just to show you what it's like to use the AI paper reader as the screen component in a writer deck. So you have extreme portability. So I'm just going to type and I'll talk a bit afterwards, and you can just get an idea of whether there's lag or not. I'm not the greatest or fastest typist, but here we go. So you can see that there's very little lag. In fact, I'd say that it's negligible, and that this is a perfect typing experience. Now again, I'm not the fastest typist, so what I'll do is I'll just I'll go down a couple lines, and I'll just sort of move my hands, not trying to spell anything, just so you can get an idea if my speed is benefiting the device or not, okay? I'll just randomly type letters, and you can see whether it's lagging or not. Like I don't think that my lack of agility on the keyboard is working to the thing's benefit. I think it could keep up with you no matter how quickly that you could type. So I recommend the device. What I've done here, obviously I've got a Bluetooth keyboard. This is a Samsers keyboard, foldable, and I've got a foldable tripod here. You can use any tripod you wish, of course. This one's made by a company called Peak Design. It's definitely overkill for this situation and expensive, but it's completely made out of metal, and I like it a lot. And then this, of course, is the AI paper reader, and I'm using Obsidian as the software that you just saw. And what I've done is on the back of my reader, I put two things. I put a skin made by a company called dbrand, and I put a MagSafe ring so it can attach to the tripod. Okay, and the dbrand doesn't actually make a skin for this device, so what I did was I just bought a large one. In this case it was a MacBook Pro, I think, and then I just cut it. I obviously did not do a great job, but I don't care. The point of this for me was the back of this device is very slippery, and I don't like the case that came with it. So this adds some grip, okay? And it provides protection for this ring, because this is just a budget $4 made in China thing, and I don't know what kind of adhesive they're using on the back. So then rather than stick that directly onto my device, put the dbrand skin underneath it, and the dbrand skin is completely, you can peel it off and it leaves no residue. I've done it already on this device because I screwed up my first cut. And so it's providing protection and grip. So I bought it on Boxing Day, so it was about 20 bucks, $25, something like that. And then cutting it out was a bit of a pain in the butt, but it works fine. You can see I screwed it up the corners and stuff like that, but yeah, I recommend it. Talk about portable, right? That's pretty great. That's sort of like a laptop you can take anywhere. This fits in your pocket. You hold this in your hand or put it in your bag or your jacket pocket, and you're good to go. Yeah, if you have any questions, by all means, let me know in the comments. Yeah, I just thought I'd keep this short just for the writer deck crowd. So I'm not going to get into the specs of the device and all that kind of thing. But for this situation, if this is what you're looking for, it works great. There you go. Thanks. Bye.